Following tooth extraction, ridge preservation is indicated to maintain bone volume prior to dental implant placement. Using creos allo.gain bone particulate, a scaffold is created to promote bone formation. Prior to placement in the extraction site, the bone is hydrated with sterile saline or blood derivatives to improve its handling. Once hydrated, any excess liquid can be removed using sterile gauze. The bone can now be transferred and placed into the extraction site. The bone is gently placed into the extraction site in small increments to ensure graft material is placed into all areas of the socket. Care should be taken not to over-condense the bone. In this example, all of the bony walls are intact, so once the bone has filled the extraction site, a wound dressing is placed on top to contain the graft material within the extraction socket. This is done using a creos xenoplug. Using the handle of an extraction elevator, the xenoplug can be condensed into a flat membrane which improves its handling and coverage of the extraction site. Placing the compressed xenoplug over the bone graft will contain the bone graft material within the socket, allowing a blood clot to form, holding the bone graft in place during healing. To stabilize the xenoplug, a single figure-8 suture can be placed to hold the xenoplug in place. The suture needle enters the mesial buccal soft tissue and exits on the distal lingual soft tissue. The suture needle now enters the mesial lingual soft tissue and exits on the distal buccal soft tissue. Completing the suturing with a surgeon's knot will secure the suture in place, stabilizing the collagen plug and containing the bone graft during healing, while also positioning the knot on the buccal soft tissue away from the tongue.